Hello folks and welcome back to your own channel Infinity Mariner. So today we are going to discuss about one of the question from chart work, that is horizontal sextant angle. So here is the question. From a ship at an anchor, the following compass bearing were observed. Needles Lighthouse, that is 239 degree. St. Catherine Point Lighthouse 001 degree compass and Nap Tower 041 degree compass. So find out the ship's position and the deviation from the ship head if the variation was 2 degrees. So the solution, we know the horizontal sextant angle between the lighthouse and the St. Catherine Point Lighthouse is 32 degrees. So complement angle will be 90 minus 32, that is 58 degrees. So first of all, we will join both the lighthouse. The leftmost lighthouse, that is the Needles and the St. Catherine lighthouse. We will take the lighthouse accordingly. The leftmost and the middle one will take first, then after that we'll take the rightmost and the middle one. So we'll draw one complementary angle, that is 058 degree from the Needles and the St. Catherine. So this is the angle from Needles, 058 degree. Now similarly we'll take the angle from St. Catherine and we'll keep in mind that we should take the angle from the line joining both of the lighthouse. Now after drawing the line from St. Catherine, we found that there is a point of intersection between those two lines, and from that point of intersection we'll take it as the center of the circle and we'll draw a circle, and both of this lighthouse will lie on the circumference of that circle. So our position will be somewhere over in the circumference of the circle, because this is our position circle, and the radius will be from the point of intersection to the lighthouse, any of the lighthouse. So after that, the horizontal angle between the St. Catherine lighthouse and the Nap Tower is 041 minus 001, that is 40 degree, and complement angle 90 minus 40, that is 50 degree. So similarly, as we made an angle from the lighthouse from Needles and St. Catherine, we'll make another complementary angle from St. Catherine, that is 050 degree, and we'll draw an angle from the point of St. Catherine, and similarly we'll draw an angle from the Nap Tower as well, and we'll find another point of intersection between these two lighthouses, and this point of intersection will be the center of the circle of our position circle, and we'll draw one circle whose circumference will pass from the St. Catherine and the Needles lighthouse. And as we draw the another circle, we will find that there is a point of intersection. There is 2 points of intersection. First will be on the St. Catherine lighthouse, that is the lighthouse at the middle, and the second point will be at sea. So obviously our ship can't be on the St. Catherine lighthouse, so our position will be at second point of intersection, that is at sea. So we will take the position of this lighthouse, and that will be our position of a ship. So as we can see, there is the longitude 1 degree and 15, 16, 16.8. So 1 degree 16.8 minute west. So our position lies on the western hemisphere, so 1 degree 16.8 minute west. And similarly, as we have taken the longitude, we'll take the latitude as well, and the latitude will align the parallel ruler with the straight line, and we'll take our latitude, and the latitude is 50 degree 20, we'll see 21, 22 and 23. So that is coming 22.8 something. So our latitude is 50 degree 22.8. So our ship's position will be 50 degree 23.5 minute north, and longitude will be 1 degree 16.8 minute west. So as we got our latitude and longitude of the ship, so we'll write that beside the position of our ship, and we'll take the bearing of the lighthouse from our ship's position. This will be our true bearing. So we'll take the parallel ruler to the compass rose, and we'll get the bearing of that lighthouse, and the true bearing of the lighthouse is 324 degree. So that is the true bearing of the lighthouse. And as we know, we can get the compass error by taking the true bearing and subtracting or adding the compass error. We get the compass bearing. So the compass bearing is already mentioned in the question. So with the help of a compass bearing, we can get the compass error. And in the question, the compass bearing so the true bearing of the Needles lighthouse is 324 degree true, and the compass bearing of the Needles is 329 degrees. So compass error will be 5 degree west, variation is 2 degree east, and the deviation will be 7 degree west.